Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your email list clean and show you some of the automations that we've put inside of your Lead Vortex account so that again you can keep your email list clean and your deliverability remains high and the email service providers like your emails and you deliver more inboxes and you make more money. So we're logged in here to our Lead Vortex account. We're going to come over here on the left side and we're going to go down here into automation. Now, preloaded into your Lead Vortex account, there is a folder that is called Email List Cleaning Automation. In there, you'll see that there's actually 5 automations in there: a bounced email, a clicked email, somebody who complained with spam, opened email, and unsubscribed. Now, what each of these are going to do is these are going to tag your contacts based upon what actions they take. So, for instance, bounced email. We hop into here. If an email bounces, it's going to tag them as a bounce, as a trigger. It's going to add the contact tag that they here had bounced. Same thing if somebody goes into here and somebody clicks an email. If somebody clicks an email, it's going to add a tag that they clicked. This is going to represent somebody who clicked the link to an offer page, something that you sent out with someone that said, hey, go check this out. They clicked the link that's in that email. It's going to tag them here. The clicked emails are going to represent your hottest buyers, the hottest people on your list. Likewise, when somebody hits that unsubscribe link, it's going to do the same thing here. When it tags them here as unsubscribed, which there is an unsubscribe link built into the bottom of every LC email link. When they click that link, it's going to add the tag here that they unsubscribe, and it's going to turn their DND, which is their do not disturb, so that we can no longer email them when they opt out. Now, there's nothing for you to do out of the box when you first get your Lead Vortex account. These are going to be up, they're going to be firing, they're going to be working 100% out of the box. The only thing that you might have to set up, and you actually will have to set up if you go over here to your contacts, you're going to have to create smart lists so that you can filter all of your contacts based on these email list cleanliness in one click. So what we're going to do is contacts. We're going to go over to here where it says filters, and then you're going to have here where it says tag. What we're going to do is we're going to sort by unsubscribe tag. If we hit apply, what that's going to do is that's going to sort all of the contacts. There's no contacts here, so there's no list. But you're going to see here where it says showing 0 records. If you have someone who unsubscribed, it'll say 1, 2, however. And then when this is done, you'll see on the bottom here where it says save as smart list. We're going to click that and we're going to go emails and we'll hit save. And you'll see that it creates a list over here. What we're going to do then, we're going to edit the tag, go for one that says clicked email. Hit apply, and then what we're going to do is we're going to save as a new list as opposed to just save the conditions of the existing list. So if we save as new, then we can go clicked email. I like to tag them that is my hot list. That is people who are engaged on my email list. If I put an offer in front of them, chances are they're going to click it. So what I'm going to do then is unsubscribed email, and then we're also going to do another list over here. That is spam complaint. We're going to hit apply, save as new, and we're going to go spam complaint. And we're going to actually just want to delete those contacts. We don't want them in the database at all. So once that is there, you're going to have your list of all your contacts. You'll have your unsubscribes, your spam complaints, and your people who clicked, which are your hot list. If you'd want to change the order of these lists right up here, we're going to go here into manage smart lists. And then what you're going to want to do is you can just drag them into the order that you want, and you'll see that they'll actually change over here on the top. You'll see how they change there. The next thing that I would do is if you are creating this for your business, you're going to want to make some of these a global list. So what global lists mean is that anybody who's logged into your Lead Vortex account can see that particular list. As you make them, they're private to only you. Now, in order to actually save these, share these lists and make them global, you're going to hit the little Share Smart List button, and you're going to see here that I can share with the other person on the account, which is me, or I can click Share with all users. And if I hit Save on there, you'll see this little globe go next to it. So I can do the same thing with all of my lists, or the list at least that I want everybody to have. So once I've done that, I click the little Share button, make it global. Now these lists are going to show up no matter who is logged into the account. And with that, and that shows you some of the automations that we have here at Lead Vortex to keep your list clean. And again, if you want to have a super, super hot list, you can tag them that way and then send private offers to your most engaged buyers. See you in another video.